A little bit of that sparkle is just giving me life. I'm so excited about it. If you guys know me by now, you know I'm all about a soft, easy glam moment. Whether that's daytime or nighttime, I just want something that gets me from A to B really quickly. I'm gonna show you my go-to daytime look, and then we're going to go into this with a new Longwear Cream Shadow Stick shade that I'm so excited about. It's actually gotten a little upgrade. So now the Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks have the colored caps, which is amazing because I have so many of these in my makeup bag, and now I'm going to be able to find them so much easier. So for my daytime look, I want to kind of even out my eyelids a bit, and I'm going to use the shade Toffee. And it just gives a little bit of definition to the eye. I'm actually going to start a little bit higher up in the crease. And you can see already that's just giving me a little definition. And then I'm taking my angled eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to sweep over that. You can also do this with your finger, by the way. It's whatever your preference. And then I want to kind of bring the shape upwards a bit. And that's why I like to do it with a lighter, more neutral tone shadow, because you can create that effect that's really natural, but it gives you that really lifted look to the eye. I actually want to do a bold matte lip look, which normally I wouldn't do for daytime, but this formula just really makes it possible. And I'm talking about the Luxe Cashmere Matte Lipstick. This is such a gorgeous formula, but it's so comfortable on the lip too. So let's swatch a few shades. Just ignore this because this is Longwear Cream Shadow Stick and you can see that it is Longwear on my hand, so I have to go take that off later. But Afternoon Tea, one of my favorites. Claret. Pink Suede here, perfect description. Sandwash Pink, Red Carpet, Neutral Rose. Which one am I going to wear today? I think I'm going to do the Neutral Rose, and that's just because it has a little bit more color to it. I think it's just going to look incredible. And this just glides on seamlessly. It honestly does feel like cashmere. Okay, so this is my perfect everyday kind of whatever I'm up to. This is just my uniform look. And then I want to show you guys how I like to amp it up for night. So I'm going to actually just layer on top of the Toffee, which I think is a great base for my next look. And I'm really attracted to this new shade called Midnight Olive. And I think this is just like a cool way to kind of grunge up the eye a little bit for night. Put it directly towards the lash line, and already just a little bit of that sparkle is just giving me life. I'm so excited about it. So I'm using the pointed side of the eyeshadow brush. Give it a little bit of blurred edges and just start placing that under the eye and start blending it. See what's happening? It's like a cool, lived-in, grungy, smoky eye. And now I am taking my ultra fine eyeliner brush, creating a little bit of a line there to kind of give it even more pigment right at the base of the lash line. Taking my finger, kind of softening it so it's there and it's lifting, but it's not too much of a strong line. This is gonna be my new all the time nighttime eye shade. I love it. And then what you can also do is the same thing here on the inner corner. So you're kind of creating that outward inward, but with that same shadow, just using a denser brush that's going to give you more payoff. Eyes are done. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling confident. Ooh, what shade do I wanna do? So let's try it with the Claret. And let's just do it in the center of the lip to start. And then I'm just going to use my finger to start to blur that out. I'm using the tip of the Afternoon Tea and I'm just kind of doing the edges. And that's perfection. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my looks for day and night. Lots of fun stuff in there, and I can't wait for you guys to try these products and try these looks for yourself. So comment below your favorite shades and what you liked the best. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.